What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Yeah, I haven't posted since 2020, but anyway, I have started a new project. Yes, I know, another project. This one will definitely be on Steam. There will be a lot of videos about this, so yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Okay, to start off, I opened Blender and started working on a placeholder character for the game. We might change it later on, but it's pretty...
Damn, boy, he's sick, boy!
Miles worked on the single and multiplayer maps and did some player movement. We are trying to give it a fun apocalypse feel, but there will be other minigames in different maps as well. I found a Udemy course on how to make a multiplayer FPS game, which will be so helpful. Because I know nothing about multiplayer, even though I did a bit in Project Phantom, but like I don't really remember any of that, so... To start off the game, I worked on player movement and gun mechanics. After a few hours, I ended up with this. I have a gun, script, and player movement.
That's pretty good.
After I finished the movement and stuff, I started working on the multiplayer networking.
Nick Minute.
I did some work on UI buttons and made a find and create room button. After I finished the buttons and joining rooms, I did the main map stuff, and I made a few particle effects like the death effect and the player hit effect. I started to fix the guns up and make them in the middle of the screen, but I will make it hit fire later on. I also have a placeholder animations. They will change in the future though.
Yeah, boy.
After most of the networking was done, I started to just do the end of round UI, which was like at the end of the game, it will show up. And the leaderboard for all your stats and who's winning and like most kills and deaths will show up at the end of the game. Or you can click tab, which will show it up as like a toggle, so you click it and you click it again to take it away. But I think I might change it to a hold later, depending on feedback, but yeah. Okay, most things are finished. This is like test 7, I think. The enemy spawns, you can see them. The particles do show up and the position of the player is synced, but it's a bit broken. Like sometimes it doesn't sync, sometimes the player becomes invisible, and all that stuff. But it works pretty well. But there are still a bunch of
What the fuck?
bunch of bugs, so I'm gonna fix that now. I worked on making a small map just as a placeholder, but I can't do map building, so... Miles, please do it. Yeah, thanks. In the end, I imported this package and yoinked the demo scene. I deleted a few buildings and roads, just so I can like, I don't know, to make it smaller and stuff, and I added some beaches and stuff. I fixed the spawn points and I came up with this. Now it's time for a test. I gathered a few people to test with me and it's a bit broken, but yeah, anyway, let me show you some highlights of the game. Also trigger warning. Shit. Well then we're not gonna add a reload, are we now?
No.
Okay, but why does it have to overheat? What is this, John's laptop?
Yeah.
Hey, suck a dick.
Oh wait, did you? Oh, you stole my kill, you Asian prick. Did you die? Oh yes, I killed you.
What's
A handgun? It's if you want to do pistol only. Can you piss off, you white little shit? Oh, you stole my kill. Oh my god, that was also my kill. Miles, get off. Your mom doesn't love you.
Oh, hi.
What was that? Oh my god, he's winning. What the hell?
People
What do we-
suck in general, so like, don't fight over it.
I tried to suck you. That came out wrong. That came out wrong. That came out wrong.
I'm starting to think it did. I'm starting to think it didn't. That was on purpose.
We're not allowed to let you get on the house. Oh, we both killed each other.
Oh my god, you are so annoying. I actually hate you.
Your mom left you. Hang on.
I'm playing.
Many of those.
I'm about to shit on Miles. Was that you, Miles?
You almost died. Shut up, you arrogant slut.
I was nowhere near dying. Hanging out. Miles, go to bed, get a life, go touch some grass. Do you know what the sun is? Go look at that. What the hell, you sweaty little shit? This game's been out for 10 minutes and you're already freaking cranking 90s.
By the holy lamb.
The holy man.
you spawned up here with me. No, wait, I need to reload. Miles, tell Ashen, you want a bottle of water?
Ashton, you want a bottle of water?
I'm made in China, texting.
Miles, go touch some grass! Come on, someone give me a kill.
Jesus of Nazareth, I will kill you as I am a Jew.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Handgun. What's
A
the point? I'm gonna
handgun?
kill you.
Come on, someone give me a kill.
Jesus of Nazareth, I will kill you as I am a Jew.
Yes! Yes! Yes!